Boudreaux told Thibodeaux, "Thibodeaux, I got me a free vintage outboard motor." Thibodeaux said, "Boudreaux, nobody gives away free outboard motors." Boudreaux said, "Well, T. Mike does." 3 things today. 1, I'm giving away a free vintage outboard motor on June the 15th. 2, I'm telling you why. And 3, this YouTube channel is about to change in a big way. It's gonna save this hobby or die trying. I've been thinking about this for a long time. People tell me, T. Mike, you gotta choose. You either wanna save the hobby or make money on the hobby. And I've decided you can do both. Here's the thing. If I just teach and nobody finds me, this channel stays at 20,000 subscribers. The same people keep looking over and over, using the wealth of information. We need to reach out to a broader channel, a broader scope of people, and showing people how they can make money on this hobby might just be the way to keep it going for future generations. It's coming. I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money on your vintage outboard motor hobby. The first way is repairing vintage outboards. The second way is restoring them, bringing them back to life. And the third way is flipping them. I'm going to show you all 3 ways in separate videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair vintage outboard motors and get you a side hustle. Get you some little bit of money on the side. It's going to help keep that motor in the hands of the person who's using it, and it's going to save the hobby. Okay, so here's a video of me doing a repair job for somebody. It's a good example of showing you how you can do this to make some money. A friend of mine brought the motor over, asked me to work on it. I did it, $50 an hour plus parts. I think it was $250. I don't like to charge more than $400 or $500 to do repair work, because the motor is really not worth much more than that unless it's a legacy motor. So you have all my videos, you have the knowledge, you have me for consulting if you get in a bind. I've started several people out there working on these motors. All right, just ask John and Marcia. But this video will give you the incentive that you can do the repair job, do a little bit of advertising on Craigslist or Facebook that you do repair on vintage motors, and take the work on. It might just be an impeller change and a gear oil change in the beginning. Before you know it, you'll be cleaning carburetors, replacing broken parts, and you'll be saving the hobby and making money. So let's go with the video on how to do that. A friend of mine brought me over this outboard to look at for him. Said he had some issues with it, wanted me to take care of it for him. Said the kill switch didn't work on it. He said it didn't really run well. Kind of wasn't real specific about what was wrong with it, but wanted me to try to get it running for him. So I thought I'd document all these issues I find with this motor to help you if you ever have to do repair work on a 1971 9.5 horsepower Johnson. I have done, and she's got 70-70 balanced on both sides. So compression is good. Alright, now we're going to check for spark. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is no spark on the top cylinder. So we definitely have an ignition problem with spark. One of the kill switch leads, looks like the wire was crimped under one of the coils like that. So that was probably what was causing the no spark on that one cylinder. But customers already wanted me to rebuild her, so I got the new coils right here. I'm gonna grab my tune-up kit right here, which is a 18-5006 for this motor. I got my tune-up kit. Okay, got the point set just right. Let's put the flywheel on, back it out all the way to 1/4 inch on my ticker here. Both sides have good spark. Fix the spark problem. It ought to start up. Alright, let's see what's going on with the resurrection motor this morning. I cleaned the carb because she wouldn't stay running without being choked. So let's give her a little test run this morning. See how she's doing. Okay, so now you have the incentive to repair motors to make some money on the side. Let's talk about what's coming up. June 15th, the free motor giveaway. That's right, stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna announce the winner. I've narrowed it down to 4 already. I think I know who the pick's gonna be, but we'll see. The reason I'm giving this motor away with all the parts and all the literature on it and with some tools and with my free technical consulting is I want to further the hobby, save the hobby, and make money. So here's what I need you to do. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, hit the subscribe button, and here's a video for you to watch next. Also, just go down in the comment section and put in a comment. Tell me the first motor you ever worked on and the brand and the horsepower and what's the problem you had to make it run. I check every comment and I try to answer to every one. So save the hobby and make some money is the mission that we're taking on. See y'all next video.